Hi guys, Piotr here. This is LiteFinance Global YouTube channel. It's my pleasure to be with you again. With AI as a still top 2023 narrative and with the big Microsoft investment, we are going to check how high the Microsoft shares can go. So we are going to talk about Microsoft a bit and we are going to try to make some price predictions. So, without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. Microsoft, a global technology company, has been at the forefront of innovation for over 4 decades. Today, we'll take a look at some of the top information about the Microsoft that you may not know, including the investments into AI and ML sector. Did you know that Microsoft has around 200,000 employees worldwide? That's more than the population of some small countries. Their headquarters is in Redmond, Washington, but they have offices in over 190 countries. Bill Gates, the co-founder of Microsoft, has a net worth of over 100 billion, making him one of the wealthiest person in the world. He is also a philanthropist. Through the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, he has donated billions of dollars to various causes such as global health, education, and climate change. Microsoft's Surface laptop is one of their most popular products. Surface laptop has a detachable keyboard and touchscreen, making it a versatile option for both work and play. It was created to compete with Apple's MacBook. HoloLens, another innovative product from Microsoft, a mixed reality headset that allows users to interact with digital content in the real world. It has a variety of applications, from gaming through education to industrial design. Pandemic forced many people to work from home. Microsoft Teams has become an essential tool for remote collaboration. It allows users to chat, make a video conference and share files all in one platform. Okay, before we are going to start about the artificial intelligence and machine learning, let's have a look what we have on the chart from long and medium term perspective. So editor, please show us the chart. Okay guys, so what we have here is the big upside move when it comes to the Microsoft. What we've seen lately cannot be called differently than it was just the correction, right? So as you can see, big move to the upside, and what we've seen lately, that could be treated as a correction. So let's have a look closer. That's the monthly chart, and we hit the high in November 2021, all right, and we hit the low 1 year later in November 2022. Okay, so what is also important to notice why it was just the correction, because if you are going to make all the moves to the downside after the small corrections, they were equal in size. Now the rallies during this correction were also equal, right? Until what has happened lately. We moved much higher than what market or bears been thinking about, and as of now I think that this high created in August 2022 is going to be very crucial from a long-term perspective, because if we are going to be able to close above, all right, meaning that we are going to change all this structure over here, and depends how high we are going to go, it might be worth to try to make some measures. The latest rally, it was like this, right? There was a little bit of the correction over here, and then rally, okay? So if we are about to see the same, so yes, we are going to close above, then we might see a little bit of the pullback because of this swing high over here, all right? And if that's the case, we are going to retest this August 2022 high. We might treat it as a support. Levels towards 400 could be the name of the game. And I think as long as we are holding this consolidation, pre-breakout consolidation, which lately been tested right over here, okay, we should treat the pullback as a correction, no change in trend. Only, in my opinion, move below the latest low could change the view when it comes to the Microsoft. So we have to get the monthly close below 213 and psychological 200. Let's have a look in that case what we have when it comes to the weekly chart. It's a little bit different here, okay? So there was a creation of some kind of the double bottom with attempt to go lower, failure, move higher, retest, and we are testing the latest weakness. If we might treat on the weekly chart this price action as the consolidation, so based on what we've seen on the monthly, at least the retest of the most recent high could be the case here. So in that case, two scenarios, in my opinion: either waiting for another deeper pullback to retest bottom of that consolidation and trying to DCA with very tight stop below the monthly bottom, all right? Or wait for the upside, total upside break, and then look out for the retest of something around 260. First target, previous high, the second target around 400. Okay, editor, let's get back into the video. Okay, so it's time to discuss Microsoft investment in the artificial intelligence and machine learning sectors in recent years. Microsoft's AI investments focus on three areas: intelligent applications, platform and tools, and infrastructure. They are investing in developing intelligent applications that can help users solve complex problems and improve decision making. Other investments include machine learning platforms and tools to make it easier for developers to build AI-enabled applications, and in developing infrastructure to support AI workloads. One of the key products in Microsoft AI portfolio is Azure Cognitive Services, which provides a suite of pre-built APIs for natural language processing, computer vision, and speech recognition. And this allows developers to easily integrate AI capabilities into their applications without requiring an extensive machine learning expertise. Microsoft has also developed an open source framework for building machine learning models called machinelearning.net. And it could be used with a variety of programming languages including C, F, and Python, and can be integrated with other Microsoft products like Azure or Power BI. In 2020, Microsoft acquired OpenAI's exclusive license to GPT-3, one of the most advanced language processing AI models to date. This has allowed Microsoft to integrate GPT-3 into their products and services such as the Power Platform and Dynamics 365. Also, they have established several research labs around the world, including Microsoft Research AI, which focuses on advancing the state-of-the-art in artificial intelligence. So we know AI and ML are the future. We know about the Microsoft investments into that sectors. Previously we were talking about the Microsoft long and medium term charts. So editor, it's time for short term charts. Okay, so let's have a look what we have when it comes to the short term charts. Let's start with the daily chart. Previously we were talking about the possible retest from the weekly chart perspective. It's even better visible here on the daily chart. So short term, if you are a bull, either you are looking for deeper pullback or you are looking for the strong move to the upside and buying the pullback, right? So you want to see the upside break, buying the pullback, not trying to chase the price action we've seen here. Well, from the daily chart perspective, short term, we see very interesting thing, and that's the waves, right? All of them are equal. So if you are a short side trader, short seller, you are looking for some kind of the fading, right? You are looking for a stop hunt and rejection, then you can try to join the party to the downside. How low can we go in case of the failure? In case of the failure around this level, we are talking about the 294, 300. The 300 is related to the monthly, weekly, and here to the daily chart, right? So let's have a look what kind of the pullbacks we've seen. So we might try to hit levels close to 260, all right? Or we might see a little bit deeper move to the downside, and we might see something towards 245. That's how I see the things in case of the failure, and eventually that's the level of the possible DCA to start to look for the buying opportunity when it comes to the Microsoft, as long as we are above 200 based on this daily chart. Okay, so that's quite important. Let's have a look. Short term, let's switch lower to 4-hour chart, and some kind of the hesitation, consolidation is visible. So I would look for another attempt to push higher, failure around this supply based on the monthly, weekly, and daily chart, and some kind of the rejection. We've seen the latest consolidation a little bit earlier over here, and the same size of the upside break. So something like this with the strong rejection could be the name of the game, and that's how I see the things. Very short-term targets are around these highs and this breakout candle. So we are talking about the eventual pullback down towards 265 to 60. So let's have a look how the market is going to play out this in the short term. 300, 305 as a supply, 265, 260 as a demand. With that being said, guys, please like, subscribe, leave the comment below. Thank you very much. As usual, do your own research, do your own homework. Wish you great next trading session. See you around, take care, and goodbye.